Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Al Stock Trades. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3. How's everyone doing today? All right, check this out, guys. So no camera today. I just wanted to go ahead and give you a short presentation. This is for all of our members, our subscribers, and then our stock terminal members and mastering, just so you can understand what's going on, because there's been a lot of changes. So this video should walk you through what to expect. So there's been some changes to our stock terminal. We literally 10x to 100x the amount of output, given that we are slowly exiting beta access. So we made a lot of changes and we added tremendous value, and we believe that this is probably the top 10 platforms for retail investors. So we're going to go ahead and walk you through these changes, okay? So we have a section called Research Edge, okay? In the Research Edge section, we provide general market research and trends of where institutional investors on Wall Street are parking their money. This information has been rolled up in New York amongst the wealthy for over 100 years, hundreds of years, honestly. And it's now being democratized to Main Street retail investors. So this section offers valuable insights into the market trends and investment patterns of institutional investors. So you're going to get some market research, general market research and trends of where institutional investors on Wall Street are parking their money. Democratization information is essentially going to be able to be easily accessible, and insights are going to be gained, so you're not guessing blind, and you're flying with a GPS pretty much, right? So technical edge. So the next section is technical edge. So what's that? So in the technical edge section, we delve into the technical analysis of the general market and potential opportunities that may arise purely from a technical analysis perspective. This section provides insights into market potential opportunities based on the technicals, right? So sometimes there's just short-term market opportunities that you need to be made aware of, and this is exactly where to find this. So that's going to be that section. So now we got your stock ideas. So we have 3 different long-range stock ideas. We have long range, mixed range, and short range. The long-range time horizon is anywhere between 3 to 5 years. Mixed range is anywhere between 2 to 3 years, and short range is anywhere between 6 to 12 months. Now, remember, these things can meld into each other. Sometimes the short range can become long range, and the long range can become short range. Again, it's very difficult to assess, but there exists some form of a pattern that you could essentially follow based off of just different price metrics and stock terminal point systems that we calibrate on, given the data that you guys are made well aware of, which you can access in our stock terminal commands all here. Okay, still scrolling. Okay, so there's that section, and I'm very excited. Yeah, it's really awesome. We're literally providing a lot of value. Okay, so then we have the tactical range. So our other trading idea is called tactical range. So where we look for opportunities within the market purely from a technical analysis perspective with some slight sprinkling of fundamentals. Again, we want to have a little bit of that, right? This section focuses on identifying trading opportunities based on technical analysis, obviously with a touch of fundamentals. So there's that. Now, there's the next thing that we're going to go into tables. So we have table long, right? So this is table. I'm sorry. Hold on. So you know how I said we're going to have long range, short range, and a mixed range. Well, this is right here an example of how each specific stock that's analyzed, the stock will be here, and then this is the type of analysis you'll get from the long-term analysis of a company. And again, this is just for an idea and for educational purposes only. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so we have the algorithmic flow analysis, which we give our thoughts here. Technical analysis, again, this is still long range, but we want to incorporate technicals. Artificial intelligent insights, analyst projections, legendary investors. So if we do see some legendary investors holding the company, we're going to put it here, and we're going to have our fundamental analysis, and then the intrinsic value perspective. Okay. Then for the short form, this is for the technical analysis. We're going to have the company the price when added, the AI support and resistance analysis, the analyst projections, of course, the intrinsic value. You want to sprinkle some fundamentals. And then we're going to get the Fibonacci sequence retracements from top to bottom, along with the support and resistance lines. And so that should give you kind of an understanding of kind of what's going on from a technical perspective. Here's the master table, where you're going to get a range from long, mixed, and short of the ticker symbol, price when added, and essentially the ticker symbols, which is in correspondence to the fundamental and due diligence analysis, which was provided in this table. Then we go ahead and we have, so here's the master table. Then we have the table technical. This is for the technical analysis short-term trades. We go ahead and we offer the particular stocks that we're looking at, and then the dates added, the price, and the support and resistance. And then the due diligence can then be further followed up with the analysis for the technicals here, which is in correspondence to the green table. And again, this is very comprehensive. Like I told you, this is a lot of information, and we're stacking all this information now to provide really cool insights on the market, right? So, which is why now the monthly is $60 a month, $59.99, and the mastering and bundle will soon increase to $3,000, and then it will continue to increase thereafter. And we're going to give you kind of how we beat the market, given our stock picks from last year using our hedge analysis, which we'll go ahead and share with you on subsequent videos. But overall, this is from the table technical. So let's continue. So there's your table long, right? And then we have the table technical, which is just for a compressed table format for the technical analysis trading ideas. Then we have a reference section. So we didn't have, what we're doing with the reference section is every time we use the stock terminal, we put it in the reference section to where you're able to follow what commands I used, so you can, kind of see some patterns of what we look at, right? Now, obviously, we also did some IVCs on the mastering and utilized other components as well. But we like to put the references here so you see where the support and resistance lines are coming from. And that's going to be Trade Watch, which I did not put the table here, but it's a beautiful table. And we're going to be adding a lot to these platforms. And we're going to make this table probably from here all the way down here. And then obviously from here all the way down here, right? So that's kind of be where we're going to go there. So overall, this is where we're headed. And just wanted to basically give you an understanding of what this all means. And again, if you haven't done so, we highly recommend signing up using coupon code New Year's, going to alstocktrades.com. Prices will increase to $3,000, I believe, on January 2nd or January 3rd. But then what we're going to do is we're still going to keep the $800 off, but it's going to be $800 off of $3,000 versus $800 off of $2,000. You can see that you're technically getting $1,700 off if you think about it. And again, our platform essentially has proven itself, and the money that's spent historically, we get folks say, you know what, we made it back and then some. And so I've gotten a lot of comments from that. We'll put on the website for testimonials. But overall, this is what we have, and I'm very excited to venture on this journey. I'm very excited to show you all these commands, which you can find on our website. And then I still haven't done so because I've been working on the back end, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the auto posting. But overall, this is what we have, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. And Happy New Year if I don't talk to you guys tomorrow.